Damn. Are you listening?
Hey guys, this is Charlie guys, and today I'm in my living room. I'm in my carpet and I'm gonna do some carpet repair. I need to stretch my carpet and put it back down, and I'll show you guys exactly what's going on. Let's see. So right here you can see this area here. Let's bend this over and you'll see this area here is too short, so I have to stretch the carpet. What I did was I went to Amazon or wherever, and you can buy one of these pretty cheap. It's a carpet stretcher. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna change these strips. Some of them, the nails are bent down, so they're of no use. I'm gonna take this out. You can get those strips. They come with the nails. You can see the nails already in there. They already have the nails in there also. So both nails are in there. They're 3 feet long, so you just buy the amount you want. And I'm gonna replace those. That's what I'm gonna do right now, is to replace those. Make sure that I put it back exactly how it is there. So I'm gonna make sure I don't do any damage to the tile. So you can basically use a screwdriver just to knock this out, or you could use one of these pretty inexpensive tools. Make sure the nails are facing this way, away from the carpet. Put this here, leave a small space between there, probably about ½ inch space to tuck the carpet in behind there. Voila. Cut in a short piece. We're gonna put it right here. So we'll have double at the edge here to make sure it stretches and stays good. So we have a little excess foam here, so we're gonna cut this out. Just gonna make sure we get this. So here's our carpet stretcher. You can see our little grooves on here. And let's see what we can do. I'm gonna try to push it in that corner to see. Oh. See it. So it's coming. We need a little more here. You can see this. Push it in behind a little gap we left. Push it in there so it look kind of finished. And we're just gonna continue going down, and that's basically it. The bad part was in the edge right here. You can see we have that pretty much looking good.
Damn. Are you listening?